Unemployment insurance acts as temporary assistance. When individuals are laid off from one job, this provides a sort of social safety net so that they can actively seek work that's commensurate with their previous experience. As of September 30th, we had a balance of $926 million. It's important that that's taken within a context of the total wages for the state of Utah, as well as the amount of benefits that we paid out in the worst recessionary years in recent history. In 2016, 73% of Utah employers are expected to pay the minimum contribution rate, which is 0.2%. It calculates to about $64 per employee per year. During times of economic growth, we're able to replenish that trust fund balance so employers experience a decrease in their contribution rates so that we can pay out benefits in those elevated moments of high unemployment. The average individual filing for benefits qualifies for 21.9 weeks of benefits. However, they actually stop receiving on average after 12.2 weeks, meaning that they're returning to work sooner before their benefits exhaust. Utah currently has the 5th lowest duration in the nation, and when you take that within the total context of how many weeks a person may be eligible to get, we're currently the 3rd lowest. After an individual files an initial claim for benefits, we require that they do weekly certifications. To verify the accuracy of the information that's being reported to our agency, Workforce Services conducts quite a few electronic cross-matches. We actively prosecute fraud, resulting in 6 third-degree felonies and 22 Class A misdemeanor convictions during the 2015 calendar year. When an individual is found to have committed fraud with the information that they're providing to our agency, we take that very seriously. Not only are they required to pay back the money that they erroneously received, they're also required to pay a 100% administrative penalty, essentially paying back double what they received. In addition to that, they could be disqualified for benefits up to 49 weeks. They could be subject to liens and garnishment of their wages. We also will intercept state and federal tax refunds to have that money come back into the trust fund to preserve the integrity. Utah's employer community is actively helping to preserve the integrity of our program. When an employer responds to our information online, we find that we're able to process those cases in half the time of a paper response, resulting in lesser amount of benefits going out the door incorrectly. Bottom line, Utah's economy is strong. When unemployment does happen, we're here to support the employers and employees of the state of Utah.